Good morning. We're at the point everybody's been waiting for, the reveal of the hoodie that I tied up the other day. So I just spent a bunch of time rinsing this in the sink to get most of the excess dye and soda ash out. So now I'm going to go ahead and open this up. We'll start out by pulling the sinew off, and then I'll get the strings cut and we'll see what this thing looks like. If you're liking my videos, please give them a thumbs up so that I know that you're interested in more videos, and I will continue to make them. Just about got this done, we'll cut the sinew and open this thing up. Okay, so remember I tucked the sleeves down inside the shoulder seams, so there's one of the sleeves. I do have a little bit extra white there, but that's alright. There's the other shoulder. Okay, let's open up this mandala. Yeah. So we got nice saturation on there. Let's see what the back looks like. Yeah, maybe more detail will show up when after I wash it out, get some more of the dark colors out, but there's the back of it. So thank you for watching. Okay, I decided to add another one to my reveal video here. So I had a request for a sea turtle, so I did a video on that. I haven't posted it yet, but once I get the t-shirt revealed, then I'll put this on the video and reveal it all at once. So some of you will get to see what the turtle looks like before you even see the video of how I made it. So just cutting the strings here. These are the legs that I tied in. So you just want to be careful as you're cutting all those strings that you're getting just the string and not the t-shirt in there. Because you definitely don't want to cut a hole in a shirt after you spent all this time making it. Alright, so there's all of that. Got the bigger strings. Okay, well here, let me back up so we can see this better. Okay. Alright, so there is my sea turtle. It came out pretty good. So a video for how to tie this up and dye it will be up a little later today. Okay, here's one I was playing with ice dyeing, still trying to get the knack of that down. Might as well add this into the reveal. I guess we'll see what that looks like once it's washed out. I'll need to work more on my ice dyeing. That was fun. Okay, well, once again, it's hard to see how much detail I might have got in that, but we'll wash it out and see what happens from there. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and share. Give me a thumbs up if you like them and want to see more.